Welcome to the digital world of grade 7. I'm your English teacher Taiba Kamal. I hope you will be fine and taking care of your health. So students, please take out your books, notebooks and pens with you. Today we are going to read grammar part of chapter 2, which is Animate and Inanimate Nouns. First of all, animate nouns. A noun which refers to people, animals and living beings is known as animate noun. For example, teacher. The teacher reads a book. In this sentence, teacher is an animate noun. Next, inanimate noun. Inanimate noun refer to things that are not alive. Like in this sentence, the teacher reads a book. Book is inanimate noun. Next, possessive form of animate and inanimate noun. Possessive case of singular animate noun is found by adding apostrophe s ending of the noun. For example, the cat's leg. Possessive case of plural noun is found only by adding an apostrophe. For example, the boy's books. In general, only an animate noun has the possessive case form. It denotes certain object, quality or an attribute that belongs to a living creature. For example, the boy's bag, the teacher's diary, Aslam's book. So students, come to page number 16. Circle the correct possessive noun keeping in view animate and inanimate noun. The first option is the bike tires. Tire of bike got punctured. Second one, Badr's sister, the sister of Badr will not be coming to party. I will visit the dentist at 11 o'clock. Table's leg of table is broken. The birds fell from the tree. Next, ebot, rewrite each phrase to use a possessive noun. The first one has been done. The bat belongs to Atif. It is Atif's bat. The shirt of boy is white. Boy's shirt is white. The house belongs to Qasim. It's Qasim's house. The room of girl is untidy. The girl's room is untidy. The utensils of my sister are pretty. My sister's utensils are pretty. Come to the next part, article. Articles are of two types, indefinite article and definite article. So first one is indefinite article. A and an are indefinite articles because they usually make indefinite the person or the thing spoken of. For example, a doctor visited our village. He bought an umbrella. In this sentence, A and an refer to any doctor or any umbrella. So, definite article. This is called definite article because it points out some particular person or things. For example, he saw the doctor. In this sentence, one particular doctor is mentioned. Then, use of definite article. When we talk about a particular person or thing or one already referred to the used. For example, the bike you want is not available. Let's go to the park. The park in this area is particular. So students, come to part F. Fill in the blanks with the correct definite or indefinite article. I bought the pair of shoes. I saw a movie last night. They are staying at the hotel. Look at the woman over there. She's a famous actress. That is a book I told you about. I read an amazing story yesterday. I live in an apartment. I would like a piece of cake. I was in a Japanese restaurant. He is a honest man. Thank you.